Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys were enjoying my previous parts on .NET workloads on AWS Lambda series. So in today's part, we will perform the further steps and I hope you like my content. So do like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting stuff.
Name as get S3 buckets and we need to deploy it. Let's do it. Now we will close this all. We don't need this. We'll open the new terminal. Already we are there in environment path. So it's the same. Now we will create a new project which will have AWS Lambda function. So lambda.empty function. Here we have different type of templates for Lambda function. But for now, we will create only empty function and name it as get S3 buckets. As you can see, the empty function is created. Here we need to check it out. Get S3 bucket folder is created, and inside this folder we have src, and this is the project file name, and this is a main function.cs file, which is the entry point for this get S3 buckets. Let me collapse this so that it will be easy. So we have created it. Now what we need to do, we need to add additional packages to this project. We'll browse that folder, get S3 buckets. So we have browsed this folder and we will install those package. That is stk s3. This is for S3 package. So we have added that S3 bucket package successfully. Let's proceed further. So now we need to browse and open that function file. We have already opened here function.cs. We need to add this s3 and s3.model. We need to add those libraries. Always save our work whenever we are doing small changes. And now we need to replace that class and functional handler. So here function class is given, class function is given. Inside that we have our method, public method function handler, which have the iLambda context. So this context will be responsible. So let us go in our function. Here it is. We will copy this line. We will remove this comment, we don't need it. So as you can see, we have the S3 client, Amazon S3 client, form of variable. Here list of bucket is there, which will give some response. Here bucket list will be displayed and bucket name is given. Beside that, there's one small query which will fetch the bucket name, and here we will get the list of the bucket names. So this is the sample code which they have given. So it will look like this. So now what we need to do, as usual, we need to build this project, this function project. Let me clear it. So we have function.cs file. Let's build this project. It built. Okay, we got some error. So we need to understand, first of all, what is the error and how we can fix it. Because without that we will not able to fix it. Let me check. Considering marking await 1751 await operator key. Line number 17. We are using await. So I think function names should be async. Yeah. So this is the issue. Like we are using here await and here function handler name is different. Let me change it. And this string function handler will not be appropriate. We will use this task copied properly. Functional handler will be same, but here string is not appropriate to get replaced. Here we don't need input also. Even I can also make some mini mistakes. Okay. Seems like now it is looking good. Now we can build the project once again. So in this way we can solve our error. So now you can see it is successfully built our .NET project without any issues. Now we can move further so that we can start with properly. Now what we need to do, we need to deploy our Lambda function. Okay, already we have built it. First we will go inside that path. Here, so path is clear. There's no issues. And now we will develop this we will deploy this Lambda function. So whenever we are deploying it, it will create each and everything. Let me go to cloud formation. So cloud formation we are using for deploying our application. So we have deployed two